Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to Yulee, Florida for the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly cruise in for February. This is going to be the car show cam, the dash cam on the dashboard truck. And we should have a good bit of cars going by it because we were parked in the car show on the main action alley, as you will. Hopefully we'll have a good bit. We don't know yet. We haven't gone through the video. We'll go through it with you. And we'll show you what we found. It's sort of a stationary camera. You just, you see all the people go by. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you do the YouTube stuff, the likes, the subscribes, the comments, the shares. It helps out the channel. It really does. We're trying to grow the channel like everybody wants to grow their brand. We're trying to grow our little corner of the internet here. So that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, do the YouTube things. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to that car show. So let's rev it up for them hot rods.
Nobody's here.
Except that Dodge.
What Dodge?
That Dodge.
Oh. So it's down here now?
Yeah. Moved it back down here after they finished construction, remember? It has been a while for you, hadn't it? Got to get the camera stands out. You want me to ride down there for that one, or you want to walk it down?
I don't care.
There we go. Then the next button down is the record button.
Do you want to start that now?
No.
What about that?
That worked. As long as you're wearing a sling, that works fine.
Do you need anything else?
I need my lid cam.
It's in your bag.
Is it? No, it's not.
No?
That's my selfie stick.
Oh. That car over there. Get out of the wind for a minute.
Yeah.
That's a Brooklyn.
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 Grass.
Yeah. The one over there is grass. It's got the hedges in it. I know it's got mulch.
Yeah. Every other one is mulch.
The one down there on this end, that the other end is mulch.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's fixing to be 80.
Yeah.
Yeah. He gets around pretty good for 80.
Well, it may have popped loose when it fell over, too.
Yeah. Oh, he's kind of coming late. Too late. Yeah, I got my seatbelt on.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. A little bit smaller this month. Like I said in the intro, not sure what the factor was. I did find out after the fact that part of the group that would usually come out, Kingsland Cars and Coffee, was off at some other event that I didn't even know about. It was at some sort of cafe that was doing a car show thing. I never heard of it before, didn't hear about it, didn't see it advertised, didn't see anything about it, so didn't know about it to go to it. So that is what it is. It happens, guys. I'm not perfect. I can't get everywhere all at once. Although that would be something if I could. Anyway, make sure you do all the YouTube things that help the channel out. The likes, the subscribes, the comments, the shares. It all helps. Any interaction tells YouTube you're actually watching the videos and you're enjoying what you're watching, and it recommends it to other people to bring them into the channel. We're at 349 subscribers as of time of this recording. It could change by the time this actually gets released, but hey, that's the nature of the beast. When I'm recording these things for later, it just, it changes. Anyway, so we're trying to get to 500. That's our goal. We want to get that initial monetization money to start, building the channel more, getting more equipment, going to further out car shows, that kind of thing that a little bit of sponsorship dollars or ad revenue would help out with. So that's going to be it for this video. We're going to be going out to the car shows again this weekend. We got a busy weekend coming up. We've got a lot of videos coming up. I'm going to get swamped. I know it, but it's a good thing because there's going to be weekends coming up where it's going to be either raining or there's going to be no car shows or whatever, and I'll have content to put out for you guys. I try to run about a week of content behind so that I have, that emergency if there's a drought of content or there's no car shows or we just get flooded and then it's raining all weekend and car shows get canceled. Whatever. Anyway, so we're going to go out to the car shows this weekend. We've got a big weekend. We've got like 4 car shows this weekend. These guys are killing me on Saturdays, having 3 car shows a day. That's my problem. That's my cross to bear, guys. Anyway, so we'll see you guys out at the car show. Cruising for Kids at Densmore, Wings and Wheels 4 in St. Augustine, and Main Street Cruise In Jacksonville. So, see you guys out there.